In this video, I will show you how to use OBS Studio to record screen. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already, is download OBS onto your PC. To do this, you want to open up a new internet browser, come across to the official website, which is obsproject.com, and download using the buttons here. So for example, if you're on a Windows PC, you would click onto Windows. If you're on Mac, it's going to be this one, or they've also got support for Linux. So you want to click onto the relevant option. What it's going to do is download OBS onto your PC. Now, once it's finished downloading, you just want to click and run through the installation. And once it's installed, you're going to want to open OBS on your PC. So this is actually what OBS looks like. Now, I've already got mine set up because this is what I use myself to record tutorials. However, when you first open up OBS, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the sources section down here. So for myself, you can see I've currently got display capture and video capture dev. Yours is going to be blank. You're not going to see anything here. But to start recording your screen, you want to come and click this plus button just down here. Then you would come and click onto display capture. What you can now do is give your display capture a name. So I'm just going to call this one test. And then you want to come down and click OK. What it's now going to do is take you to the properties for this display capture, so you can choose the capture method from here and also the display, so the screen that you want to record. So if you're using like two screens, you're going to see primary and secondary monitor in the drop down box. You can also choose whether you want to capture your mouse cursor, and once you're happy with everything, just come down and press OK. So this is all set up, ready to go. Now, the only other thing you're going to want to do is come down and click onto settings down here. In the settings, you want to come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto audio. And what you want to do is make sure we're in the global audio devices section down here that you've got the correct microphone set. So for myself, I'm using this microphone here, the Razer Siren Mini. Yours might be different, but you want to select your microphone from the list, come down, click apply, and then OK. So now everything should be set up, ready to go. The final thing you need to do to start recording is come over to the right hand side. This is actually going to say start recording. Mine says stop recording because, as mentioned, this is the program I use to actually record my screen. So what you would do is click on start recording, and OBS Studio is going to start recording your screen. So that is how to use OBS Studio to record screen. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.